regarding with triple integration, or that is nothing but the volume by triple integration. In previous lecture or previous video we have seen what is how triple integration can be integrated, how it can be represented, what kind of spherical polar coordinates or ellipsoid coordinates are represented, and how to apply or how to consider the change in limit according to that we have seen in previous lecture. So next is now we have started the examples. Now first example is now, by changing to spherical polar coordinate, evaluate triple integration, that is into limit from 0 to 1, integration from 0 to under root of 1 minus x square, limit integration from 0 to under root of 1 minus x square minus y square, dx dy dz upon under root of 1 minus x square minus y square minus z square. Now as we have seen that in inside limit, that is internal limit, is in terms of x and y, so therefore this is for limit. Now hence we obtain here z varies from 0 to under root, so therefore for z is equals to 0 and z is equals to under root of this here, so we can squaring on both sides, we obtain here x square plus y square plus z square is equals to r square. Here r is equals to 1, that is here this can be written as here 1 square. So this is nothing but the sphere having radius 1 unit. So therefore for spherical polar coordinates are x is equals to r sin theta cos phi, y is equals to r sin theta sin phi, z is equals to r cos theta, with the condition x square plus y square is z square is equals to r square. Now here r square is equals to 1 here, and dx dy dz is equals to r square sin theta dr d theta d phi. Now r square is equals to 1, that means r is equals to 1. Hence for a first octant, 0 r varies from 0 to 1, theta varies from 0 to pi by 2, and phi varies from 0 to pi by 2. So the limits become here 0 to pi by 2, integration from 0 to pi by 2, 0 to 1, r square sin theta dr d theta d phi upon under root of, now here x square I have taken minus sign to be common, so inside the bracket become x square plus y square plus z square, and this value is equals to r square here, so therefore 1 minus r square. Now I have converted this into the spherical polar form. So therefore integrations are separated, as first is now 0 to 1, so therefore in terms of r here, so we have seen that here r square dr upon under root of 1 minus r square, it is inside the root, squares are present, so therefore we have to make substitution. So I applied here, put r is equals to sin t, so therefore dr is equals to cos t dt. So when r is equals to 0, t is equals to 0, when r is equals to 1, t is equals to pi by 2. So therefore according to that the integration becomes now here, this will be sin square t, dr is cos t dt, and 1 minus sin square t is value is cos square's root is cos, so cos get cancelled, remains only sin square t. Now sin square t's integration by according to, as limit is 0 to pi by 2, so apply here, or I can say now here by reduction formula. So we can take by reduction formula, as it is sin square t, so 2 is even number, so 1 by 2 into pi by 2, so therefore 1 by pi by 4 is constant, it is outside the integration, 0 to pi by 2 d phi, sin theta's integration is minus cos theta, so minus cos pi by 4 is outside, or we can apply the limits, or for pi by 2 it is 0 and for 0 it is 1, so minus minus become plus, so cos 1 plus 1. Next is d phi, 0 to pi by 2 1 d phi, phi's integration is equals to, that is equals to pi by 4, and phi from 0 to pi by 2, upper limit is 0, no need, so apply only lower limit is 0, no need, apply only upper limit, pi become pi square, and 4 2s are it, so therefore integration is equals to pi square by 2. Next example is now triple integration 0 to infinity, all the limits are 0 to infinity. Now here there will be only mention that solve this term or evaluate. So now we have seen that here x square y square z square, so it is common thing, so we have to no need to specially give any note that apply this method and use change to this polar coordinate. So here it is x square plus y square z square is a represent, so therefore no doubt it is sphere, so therefore use spherical polar coordinates, x is equals to, y is equals to, z is equals to, and r is, the square is equals to r square, so the dx dy dz is equals to r square sin theta d theta dr d phi. In positive octant, just like in two dimensional we can say now quadrant, so therefore in three dimensional it is called octant here. So therefore r varies from 0 to infinity, theta varies from 0 to pi by 2, and again this varies from 0 to pi by 2. So therefore the change in limit applies to the integration. The integration become now 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, and the next part is now 0 to infinity r square sin theta dr d theta d5 upon 1 plus r square r square. So therefore next is now separate the integrations according to the variables. So therefore 0 to pi by 2 d5, 0 to pi by 2 sin theta d theta, 0 to infinity r square dr. Again here apply the substitution. Now here it is plus and square, so therefore put r is equals to tan t, dr is equals to sec square t dt, r is equals to 0, t is equals to 0. When r is equals to infinity, then for infinity tan infinity is for pi by 2, so therefore pi by 2, so limit becomes 0 to pi by 2 tan square. 1 plus tan square is sec square square, so therefore once one get cancelled, so sin square t upon sec square can be written as, or we can write this to be in terms of sin and cos here, so that becomes sin square t upon cos square t into 1 upon sec square t here. So therefore this cos goes to numerator, it become cos square, so cos square gets cancel, only sin square is here. Again I have taken here, they are different from each other, so therefore take its integration both. So d5 having integration pi by 2 minus 0, sin theta is minus cos theta, so minus cos pi by 2 plus cos 0, so this will be pi by 2, this will be 1, and sin square t's integration is by reduction formula 1 by 2 pi by 2, so that will be again pi square by 8 here. In this form generally we are given in terms of a spherical, so we have seen two examples related to sphere. Next example we will see the next example, that is regarding to evaluate triple integration dx plus dy plus dz x plus y plus z is plus 1 is equals to. Now here x plus y plus z, x y z all are present but they are not in square, so this is not a sphere now. Over the region bounded by the coordinate plane x plus y plus z is equals to 1. In two dimensional it is called line, in three dimensional it is called plane here. So the equation of plane is x plus y plus z is equals to 1. So z varies from 0 to 1 minus x minus y varies from 0 to 1 minus x, because y getting cancelled here now, and x varies from 0 to 1, so the integration is now here 0 to 1 dx, 0 to 1 minus x, 0 to 1 minus x minus y, and the function is now, this is a denominator, when denominator's term is shifted to numerator it become minus. Next is now take its integration. So with respect to z, x plus y plus z are constant, so therefore this integration is degree is increased by 1, so minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 upon minus 2, so minus 1 by 2 is outside the integration. Apply the limit 0 to 1 dx, 0 to 1 minus x dy, and here function with upper limit. Now we are applying the value of z here, so z is value is equals to 1 minus x, so this will be x plus 1, and then this will be x plus 1, and then this value of z 1 minus x minus y and plus 1, and here it is 0, z is equals to 0, so this becomes 0, so x plus y plus 1, so this will be we get now here the x plus minus x get cancel, 1 plus 1 become 2 square, so 2 raised to minus 2 minus this will be square. Again take its integration with respect to y. While taking integration with respect to y, this 2 raised to minus 2, that is 1 upon this value is constant, so it is outside, so 0 to 1 minus x dy minus 0 to 1 minus x, then it take its integration with respect to y, so again degree is increased by 1, so that will be x plus y plus 1 raised to minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 upon minus 1, so that is equals to now minus 1 by 2, 0 to 1 dx, then to this will be y value is 1 minus x, minus minus become plus, then x, then this will be plus 1 minus x plus 1 minus this will be 0, so therefore this is 0, then this will be 0, so x plus 1 is there here, so plus minus x get cancelled, this will be 1 minus x, 2 raised to minus 2 means 1 by 4, 2 raised to the here again 1 plus 1 2, that is 2 raised to minus 1 minus x plus 1 raised to minus 1 dx. Then next is now I can convert this into this form here, separate the denominator 1 by 4 minus x by 4 plus 1 by 2, and that can be written 1 upon x plus 1. Separate the integration of each term here. So after separating the integration we get minus 1 by 2 x by 4 minus x square upon this integration of x is x square upon 2, and this 4 as it is, this will be x by 2 minus log of 1 plus x, apply limit 0 to 1, so put x is equals to 1, no need to apply the lower limit, because for lower limit all the term becomes 0, and here log 1 is also 0, so no need. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 8, 1 by 2 minus log 2, so take the subtraction addition of these two, that is 5 by 2, 5 by 8 minus log 2, then multiply minus 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log 2, So finally this will be I is equals to 1 by 2 log of 2 minus 5 by 8. This is the value of I. Then the last topic is now evaluate triple integration z square dx dy dz over the volume bounded by, this is the equations, x square plus y square plus z square equals to a square